Hi everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and log out from your Facebook account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply step into our video. For the matter, first thing you would do is simply accessing your Facebook app on your mobile phone. Once you have done so, you can see once it opens up in the home page, you will find this kind of interface over here, right? So for you to do it, you're gonna go ahead, tap on your profile icon on top right corner with its three horizontal line, aka the menu icon. Then afterwards you can see this kind of interface will pop up with all your shortcuts, your other simply settings given by Facebook itself, and your help and settings and privacy. And if you look down below settings and privacy, you'll find this option called Logout, where it simply gives you an option. If you tap on it, you will have an access to logging out. To give an access to be able to log out of your account, go ahead, tap on this logout option. And I will also ask for you to save your login info so that the next time you have to come and get logged in, you do not have to add your password, your email address, or your phone number that you create your account with for you to rejoin. So we're going to tap on this save option, and then it will ask for another confirmation. Tap on this logout, and as you can see, we are simply logged out from our account like that. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you guys in our next video.